So as an astrophotographer, can you actually view or take photos of the nebulae and galaxies that the James Webb Space Telescope captured? The quick answer is maybe, depending on where you're located. So if you're in the northern hemisphere, a lot of these objects are actually located in the southern hemisphere. So if you want to take photos of them, you'd have to probably go in the southern hemisphere. You have to live in the southern hemisphere. So I'm just saying that. So like more down south, maybe down towards like the bottom of Florida and stuff like that. You have to be really close to the southern hemisphere or actually in the southern hemisphere in order to see these objects. Because, for example, the Carina Nebula, the first image they took, I don't know the name of it, but the first image they took, I think it started with an S, the number. But the very first image the James Webb Space Telescope showed in the full color, that one's in the southern hemisphere. Okay, so the question remains, can you actually take photos of the nebula as good as the James Webb Space Telescope? Answer is plainly no, you can't. And this is mainly because the technology that they use, their aperture, most importantly, the aperture on the telescope that they have on the James Webb, it's absolutely enormous. There is no way you're going to be able to take an image just as well as they did with, you just can't because you don't have a big enough aperture telescope. Yes, even if you have like, a 16-inch, you still can't take that amazing a photo because theirs are like way, way bigger, feet worth. So we're talking like probably, I don't know exactly how big it is, but I know it's way more than 3 feet. So yeah, you probably can't. So even if you have the best astro rig for a hobbyist astrophotographer, you still can't. That's an answer for that. Now, if you want to get the colors, on the other hand, of their image, yes, you can very much get those colors with narrowband filters. Very easy. That's for another video. I actually put a whole entire video on that. You can get the colors they can get, but you can't get the texture they can get. Unless, of course, you keep stacking photos on top of each other, you're not going to get the exact same quality as they get. Now, the James Webb Space Telescope, obviously, you can get images like them as long as you keep stacking, but you can't get the exact quality. So, if you want to get the exact quality, you have to zoom in more, and you also have to have the sharper images, which obviously require a bigger aperture telescope. Have you ever gotten the quality close to the Hubbles? Let me know down in the comments below. Or not, this is not a thumbs down, this let me know, comments below. That's what I'm going to say. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, please leave it a thumbs up. If you like my content, please subscribe. Anyways, until next time, clear skies.